If you're a developer and you're developing an interface to ResRequest, we would have issued you a test login to 2 of our demo web systems. The purpose of this demonstration is to show you what ResRequest looks like from the front end. You need to be familiar with the front end so that you can compare the data that you see from your API output with the data displayed on the front end outside. Let's take a look at the 2 demo systems you've been given access to. One is called Hello, with the URL of hello.resrequest.com with the principal ID 9010, and the other is tunnel.resrequest.com with the principal ID 9005. To log in from the front end, you will use the username and password issued to you from ResRequest support. Once logged in, you will be directed to the availability calendar. At this point, you can see the properties allocated to your login and the room types of the properties. The numbers in the calendar shows availability, so on the 25th of October at Malolani Lodge, you can see there are 4 luxury tents available and 1 guides tent. When the calendar blocks are highlighted in red and show the number 0, this indicates that there is no availability. In the API, your test results should reflect the same availability output. The rate linked to your login is shown here, and the rate for each room is displaying the room rate for the average packs of that room, which is generally set to 2. If you would like to see bookings made in the system, simply go to Reservations in the menu bar and select Find Reservations. If you don't set any criteria here, it will find all bookings in the system that are linked to your agent profile. The bookings will be listed in the table below. Click on any booking in the list to see the booking details. So that's a quick overview of the ResRequest front end: how to log in, check the availability, properties, room types, rate, and booking details. Once you've developed a connection to our API, our certification team will run an audit to ensure the connection is working correctly. Here are a few tips to consider before development. We encourage a dynamic lookup of the property and accommodation mapping codes, as suppliers often change properties on their system. Using static codes could mean ongoing maintenance for your tech team. Rate groups, which is a classification, like adult or unit, are also important. They need to be considered when any rate-related data is looked up through the API, so that the correct rates are reflected. The unit or room amount must be specified for a booking to be valid. For example, a booking could include 2 adults and 1 unit. If the unit was not set, the booking would be invalid. We trust this will help you in your development process. Now, once you've made a booking on your system, you should be able to log in and confirm the booking has been created correctly in ResRequest. This should help you with comparisons of the data output on your side while developing a connection to our API.